Welcome to the logo design portion of the course. This will be a quick dive into logo design process, including working with a client brief, brainstorming ideas, and executing those ideas in a vector program. This will be just a small taste test of the overall process. And I go over a little bit more of the detailed process in other courses, but I wanted to make sure you got the basics of this very important task. I'm going to use a mock client or fictitious client for this exercise, but going to make it as realistic as possible. During this process, I encourage you to work alongside me. You do not have to brainstorm the same ideas as me, and I want you to feel open to put your own ideas or spin on this brand and process. You can even use some of the work we do in this section for your own design portfolio. So let's get started. We will be asking the client a series of questions that'll help us get started with the brainstorming process. It could be that some of these are already supplied by the client. First of all, what is your company name and how would you like it to appear on your logo? Malleable is our main company name. I would also like to have a version with the following and smaller print. Life Coaching, Sophia Green. What industry are you in? We offer life coaching to successful entrepreneurs and business owners. What is your unique selling point of your product? What makes you different? We tailor our life coaching to each client specifically. We mostly deal with highly successful entrepreneurs and business owners who need help handling next steps in their careers. We help them narrow down their focus and help them to realize their next steps so they don't feel overwhelmed with big life and business decisions. I think we are different in not only the type of people we attract, but the unique plan we develop for each person. Our name comes from the word malleable, which is how easy it is to bend and change the shape of metal or an object. We changed the spelling to be unique custom word malleable to factor in the U as an ode to the personal tailored coaching we offer. It's like taking a valuable piece of gold and changing the shape to make it into something better. Who is your target audience? Those who have already achieved a bit of success in their careers as entrepreneurs or even as part of a company. They tend to demand quite a bit of attention and are weary of paying for a coaching service. We want them to know that our solution is unique, but also tailored towards successful people. What is your price point? We charge a fairly high hourly rate for our coaching services. We offer in-person but also Zoom-focused coaching calls and develop a custom action plan for them to follow. Any style preferences you have? I would love it if we incorporated a metal somehow into the branding, gold specifically, as it ties into our overall concept and idea. So that's it for the client brief. You can also access the client brief in written form for later reference in the downloadable resource folder for this course under the logo design section. Now that the client brief is established, we have some information to start our brainstorming process, but I first want to do some basic word mapping. I'll see you in the next lesson.